Hi guys, I'm very excited today to show you these Nortiv 8 men's walking, running, fitness shoes. They are very versatile, can be used for a lot of things, even like recreational tennis. But of course, they are specifically designed for forward motion activity. But I still want to try and show you a couple of different things. So here we have them. So they have arrived in perfect shape, good quality. And we can feel they are pretty lightweight, make a good impression. I think they are well designed for some really nice sports activity because they are super lightweight and still pretty stable. As you can see, they have an extra thick EVA midsole cushion. They are still bendable, but here pretty stable, bending mostly in the front. That's what we want actually. They are pretty soft here in the back, a little bit pulled out. They come with this nice loop here in the back, nicely breathable material here, some nice protection here around, reinforcement everywhere where we need it, great shape here, nice cushion here on the sole everywhere, even till the front, nice round shape here in the back, perfect for running. The sole has a really nice design for great traction, but also the inside sole has a really nice ergonomic shape. You can feel that here. Yeah, everything nicely made, nothing to complain so far. But of course, I'm going to wear and show you how they work. Yes, I'm going to wear them here with these no-show socks. I usually have a 10.5. This is also 10.5. I would say perfect fit. Also nicely with these no-show socks, easy to tighten. Also the shoelaces make a good, solid, stable impression. Second one, easy to slip in. Also perfect length of the shoelaces. I don't like when they are too short or too long. Yeah, definitely, absolutely great cushion. Watch this thing, how much cushion we have here. Even when we just go down straight, I can still feel the cushion. It feels like running on springs. Absolutely awesome. And so I've been using these shoes now for a while for a lot of things, just a little bit for walking, jogging, also playing tennis. And so they have been perfect for walking, of course, with this super cushioned sole here. This is absolutely amazing. This is almost like flying. Have been also great for jogging and even for playing tennis. Yeah, there was absolutely no problem from my side. I mean, of course, there are specific tennis shoes if you just buy shoes for basketball, tennis, whatsoever. So of course, if you're looking for the perfect shoes for ball sports or so, maybe that's something different. But just for a little bit of recreational tennis or so, this could be absolutely perfect. I didn't have any problems at all. Also the laces here really strong. Shoes have been holding me back, so I didn't hit the front with my toes, not even on harsh stops. Also having great stability to the side, so I never twisted my feet or so. They were comfortable, lightweight, absolutely no pain at all, no blisters, no nothing, even after longer play. And they're holding up nicely on top, and also the sole very comfortable also inside. Yeah, definitely no complaints so far. By the way, also perfect sizing. I usually buy 10.5 these days, and these are 10.5, and they have been fitting absolutely perfect. So I'm definitely going to wear them for any kind of sports, no matter what I do in the future. That's definitely my preferred choice. I think they are also not too expensive, with around $50 at the moment. And so if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out. Order a pair for you if you like, and I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or want to share your own experience with these sport shoes, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things, and if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.